Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best 4K drone on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. ClawVKIS E88 Pro. The ClawVKIS E88 Pro is a beginner-friendly, lightweight 4K drone ideal for aerial photography enthusiasts. It features a foldable design for portability, with dimensions of 12.5 by 8 by 5.5 centimeters when folded and 25 by 20 by 5.5 centimeters when expanded. The drone is equipped with a 4K HD camera that includes up to 10x digital zoom, allowing for clear shots from a distance. Powered by a 4-axis Gyro system, it ensures stable flight and is easy to control via a 2.4 GHz remote with a range of 100 meters. Additionally, the E88 Pro is CE certified, guaranteeing safety and compliance with quality standards, and is free from high concern chemicals. Number 4. SCWD-SE. The SCWD-SE 4K drone is a lightweight and user-friendly drone tailored for beginners, featuring a brushless motor and a 4K HD camera. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency for stable flight performance and has a flight time of up to 12 minutes with a control range of 100 meters. Although it lacks GPS and obstacle avoidance, the drone's simple design is ideal for straightforward aerial photography without advanced features. Customers report varied experiences, praising its quick delivery and functionality while noting some packaging issues. Overall, it offers a good balance of performance and affordability for casual users. Number 3. XMSJ-L 900 Pro Max. The XMSJ-L 900 Pro Max is a lightweight 4K GPS drone that combines ease of use for beginners with powerful features for experienced pilots. It boasts a 4K UHD camera for high-quality aerial photography and FPV capability for immersive flying experiences. Key features include a built-in GPS for stability, an auto-return function for safety, and a follow-me mode for effortless tracking. Weighing 230 g, it is portable and wind-resistant, making it ideal for various conditions. With a transmission range of up to 2,000 meters and app-controlled functions, it offers reliability and user-friendly control for all skill levels. A powerful lithium battery ensures consistent performance for extended flights. Number 2. WDSCMYF X S1 Max. The WDSCKMYF X S1 Max is a lightweight aerial photography drone tailored for enthusiasts, boasting high performance and exceptional video quality. Its brushless motors provide smooth flight and long motor life, while the 6-axis Gyro stabilization ensures precise control. Capable of withstanding wind up to 10 km per hour, it is reliable for outdoor use. Noteworthy features include a GPS-based obstacle avoidance system for enhanced safety and an integrated 2/3-inch camera supporting 8K HD video recording, ideal for both aerial photography and cinematic capture. The drone is CE certified, ensuring quality and safety compliance. Number 1. FIMI Mini 3. The FIMI Mini 3 is a compact drone designed for both beginners and experienced users, featuring a 4K HD camera with a 1/2.5-inch sensor for high-quality imaging. It offers reliable flight performance, capable of withstanding wind speeds of 20 to 30 km per hour, powered by brushless motors for quieter operation. Safety features include integrated propeller guards. The drone boasts a remote control distance of 9 km and, despite lacking obstacle avoidance, its responsive controls ensure intuitive handling. Additionally, its lightweight design contributes to extended flight times for capturing aerial footage. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.